Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to move Windows 10 Start menu to the left and make your taskbar look just the way you like it. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This will open a small menu with quick options, and it's the first step to accessing the settings that control your taskbar layout. Step 2. Click on Taskbar Settings from the menu. This will open a window where you can customize how your taskbar looks and behaves, giving you control over its alignment and other features. Step 3. Scroll down in the settings window until you find the section called Taskbar Behaviors. This section lets you adjust where your taskbar and icons are positioned, which is key to moving your Start menu. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Taskbar Alignment. This setting determines whether your icons are centered or aligned to the left, which affects the overall look of your desktop. Step 5. Select Left as the alignment option. Once you do this, your Start menu and all your taskbar icons will immediately move to the left side, just like in classic Windows setups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.